Hi guys, today I am showing that how to make a spider graph in Python Turtle. So, like this, we make this shape, okay, and then we go to the project, okay, Python. This you can open from the Windows, and then you have to click a file, and then you have to click new file. You also click Control N. So I click the Control N button, okay. It was not responding, so I click this, okay. It was opening, and then I maximize it. Then first we have to write import turtle. If we not write the import turtle, our project not work. It is important in every project. Then you have to click enter and double enter, and you have to click turtle dot bg color. Bg color means background color, like that this is the white background color, and I choose black background color, okay. Like this, black, and I show you how it works. You have to go and run and click run module F5 or, and then you have source must be saved, okay, to save, okay. You can save like paragraph, then save. I have already, but I replace it, so yes. And it was like this. It was black background, you can see whole background is black. And then you go to the project paragraph, and then click enter, okay. Then you write turtle dot pen size. It was the size of the pen, okay. Like this is my cursor, and it goes, and it was the thickener and thinner lines, okay. So I choose the pen size is 2 centimeters, you can say 2 inches. I don't know what is the correct measurement. And you click enter, and then write turtle dot speed. It was the speed of turtle. You move, that's I choose 0. You have also choose 0, no, not to choose any other number, okay. So it will go in medium speed. Then you have to click enter, double enter, and then you have to write for I in range, okay, like this. And you have to write bracket 6. We have to choose 6 color, like this I showed you. Yes, it was 6 color, is cyan, dark blue, yellow, white, pink, etc., or all the colors, and put your project. And then you have to put 2 dots. If you not put these 2 dots, so your project will not work, okay. Yes, and we have to click enter. For colors, see, we have to colors the rings, like I show you later. And then we have to write in, okay. And then we have to write a bracket. I choose some few colors, 6 colors I choose red, and your choice you should choose, okay. I choose magenta color, and then blue color. Your choice, you should choose your colors. Then I choose cyan color. Those colors I choose. This is a perfect for paragraph. Your choice, you should choose, okay. Cyan color, and then I choose green color. and then I choose yellow color. Okay. Oh, it was showing like this, so you click double and delete it, and then you write this 1 minute. Okay, was not any. Yes, like this, and then you have to put comma, and the last color I choose, it was white. All colors I choose was finished, and you have not put the comma, and you have to put a bracket like this and put 2 dots. If you not put the 2 dots, so your project not work. I tell you later. Then you have to click enter, and then you have to write turtle dot color, and you name any of these in this column. Okay, and then you have to write color and then bracket, and if you choose in this A, so you write in it's A. Okay, if you not choose it, you choose colors. I choose later colors. Okay, so you have to write it colors. Okay, you name it any name. Okay, colors, then you have to put a bracket. Okay, then you have to click enter, and then you have to write the turtle dot circle like this, and you have I write this because we have to make the radius of the circle. Okay, so I choose 100, you can choose any size, and then you have to write turtle dot left. It will go to direction like angle. It was showing this angle. Okay, so I choose 10. Okay, the turn turtle left by angle units. So I choose 10 degrees like this, and then you have to click double enter, and then you have to click here. You have to write turtle dot hide turtle, because we have to hide the turtle which is shown in the project. So like this, our project is complete, and then you have to go to the run option and run module, or you have you also click F5. Okay, so I click this run module, and then source must be saved. Okay, to save, yes, I saved it later, and okay, and yes, it was showing like this. You can see it was amazing. Yeah, I'm right. Okay, so thank you everyone. Bye bye.